Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2009 Harley-Davidson Sportster Iron. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 18,729 miles and does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this bike will need a running light, a brake light, and turn signals that all meet DOT visibility standards. It will also need neutral lights, mirrors that are the correct size, a new rear tire, and passenger handholds. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds, and the rear at 230 seconds. We gave this bike a bench test and found that it runs and rides properly, but the clutch is slipping. We posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's corrosion on the front fender, the clutch lever is bent and a bar end is missing, corrosion on the rear fender, and broken clips on the side cover. This bike has 3 keys and 2 fobs. It's been upgraded with a Vance & Hines exhaust, a K&N Stage 1 intake, 16-inch handlebars, Harley-Davidson grips, a fuel cap, mirrors, aftermarket front and rear turn signals, an LED headlight, a headlight trim ring, axle caps, a primary cover, timing cover, and a shifter peg. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.